All right, just about ready to go here, frying the fish up. I'm getting the oil up to about 350 degrees. And it's about there. Also got some corn on the cob going for a side in the can cooker there. And fish we already coated with some Andy's yellow. It's pretty good seasoning. And let it stand for about 5 minutes, it says in the instructions. And here are our boneless pieces. We're going to try to start these first. Down a little bit. And get a set of tongs to flip these. And just a few minutes on each side is all it takes. Actually, might not even have to flip these. I got enough oil in there. But you're going to see that the grass carp turns out excellent. It's one of the tastiest fish I've had. It's free. You go out to the river bow fishing for them and get as many as you want. And a lot of people think they're just like regular common carp, which they're not. I mean, these are nothing at all like a common carp. These are more, the flavor is exactly like cod, actually. Getting a little bit more. And if you're a bow fisherman, it's a really good way to get a lot of free food for your family. The Asian carp, the silver carp that you hear about so much, they taste just as good as these guys. Now, grass carp's about the best you can get out there, though. But silver carp's pretty good too. Flip them over a little bit. See, this is belly meat from the grass carp, which is totally boneless, and there's a lot more belly meat on the grass carp than there is on the silver carp. Just about be there. And that is about it. You know, I don't like to overcook fish, even fried. You can see it's flaking, falling apart easy. And that's what I want to show you is the meat on the inside is just as white and flaky as any fried fish you could have. Tastes as good as it gets. So give grass carp and Asian carp a try, you'll like them.